Hello guys, how are you? In this video we will learn about how to create a multipad. So what is multipad? It is basically extruding multiple profiles belonging to same sketch using different length values. So for this we have to create a sketch for it. So we are creating any random sketch with multiple profiles. Further, these multiple profile is to be extruded at different lengths. If you guys don't know how to sketch, you may go to my previous videos and there you can learn how to sketch or how to use a Sketcher workbench. The links for the tutorial of Sketcher workbench are in the description box. Just go and check it out in case you don't know how to sketch. So now our sketch is complete. Now we will exit the Sketcher workbench and go to Part Design workbench. Now we have to click on the multipad icon. After clicking it, it will show you this kind of box. So here you have to define the length of different profiles. So now just enter all the desired length of the profiles. After entering all the length according to design, then just click on the preview option. After clicking on preview option, you can see that a multi-extrude is successfully performed. So just keep doing on experiments and practice this feature and save your time in extrude. That's all for today guys. If any queries, comment below. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, share and like guys. Signing off.